Right, last job of the day, I think. Would you believe it? Guess what you're doing?
I'm actually going to use my new tool from William Harrison. Thank you very much. Haven't used it yet. But I've noticed something really cool about it. Sometimes, this is usually a complete circle. So sometimes the cork, or whatever the filler is, doesn't go in. This one.
Pop it in.
Smart.
Isn't it?
It is.
Simple things.
Yeah, right.
I didn't mean simple minds, but there you go. Good group though.
I ran out of wood filler, so I'm using this other one, which is Chateau French Flexi Filler. It's also for wood, so it's going to do the same job really.
Okay.
I'm going to fill these cracks around here.
Yep.
And then I've got something else that I want to try. It might not work, but I'm going to try it with your help.
Top secret thing we're doing tomorrow?
Possibly.
Okay.
There she be. No pressure, eh?
No, if you get this wrong.
I'm not sure if it's gone off.
Don't you blame the tool. You know what they say?
I'm not blaming the tool, I'm blaming the filler.
My filler.
It's got a habit of this stuff's got a habit of never coming and stopping. Anyway, it's quite a deep gap, so I'm going to go over that twice. That's really deep.
It is, isn't it?
You know, probably coming out the other side.
You'll never be able to open the window now because it's against the window.
Do you want to come back another day? Oh yes.
I was waiting for it to drip on your nose. Yeah. Everyone wants to know what on earth you're doing.
We're
Blue Peter.
Oh, I was going to say that.
No, I'm sorry. Rewind. What are you doing?
Oh, the best bit about PVA
is
taking it off when it's dry. So yes, all I'm doing is we've cut this board to size. It's 1mm Foamex.
It's a plastic board. That's what we use quite often when we do exhibition work. Various thicknesses.
So 3 materials again.
Yes.
And you can see on the surface there that I've got some old wallpaper.
This, oh yeah, of course you have. This is from the hallway.
Yes. So you can obviously guess what I'm going to do.
No, I've got no idea. What are you going to do?
I'm not surprised Bethany spends half her time cutting you out.
Well, I'm hoping you're going to stick that on there.
Right. Oh, here's the wallpaper. Where do I like the pattern? Kind of about there. And I've been upstairs and got a very old
God, it's cold up there.
wallpaper seam roller, and I thought,
instead of using my squeegee, you'll use that. It's probably doing a better job than my squeegee.
and I have just done it by eye. I don't know if it's straight or not.
This, I believe you said, is a test piece.
It is.
I got this feeling it's actually starting to become a permanent piece.
So we're going to let that go off overnight.
Okay.
Actually, these temperatures, it might not go off overnight.
Or you might come back and it's stuck to the table.
I'm going to take it to bed with my heated blanket. And then I'll go around with it and the scalpel in the morning and then apply it to the surface that we are applying it to.
It's gonna look brilliant.
So I've got some of the deer, most of the boy.
Let me come round.
Some leaves across the top. Yeah, that's going to look good.
Okay. Yeah, when it's dry, we'll do that in the morning. Morning.
Morning. Filler's dry. I'm just sanding it back before I put an oil-based coat on the woodwork here. I think because it's a stairwell and it's got hard traffic area, an oil-based undercoat would be preferable. It's going to take a while to dry though.
Hard traffic? You mean me and you up and down these stairs like idiots?
Just sanding down this filler, top tip. Usually when you're decorating, you work from the top down so that you don't, say if you're painting, you don't get paint all over you or ruin it. But with filler, work your way from the bottom up. Otherwise, when you're filling up here, it's dropping down onto the surface and you're going to be sanding the filler that you've already sanded, if you get what I mean.
You're explaining that very well, but actually, even a thicko like me, I understand exactly what you mean.
So filler, sand from the bottom up.
Filler upwards, painting downwards.
And it's now as smooth as Zara's bum.
I'm just, in my head, do you need just a ladder or do we need to start thinking about a tower now? Because you're going to go...
Stop here.
Ah, okay. Good idea. I'm glad you said that.
Area. You know, when you're running your hands up the stairs, that's all we need to do. Here.
That's all we need to go to. Yeah. No one ever looks up. Okay, we'll come back to you on that. I didn't know you were going to be painting walls as well.
Well, I wasn't planning to. I was just waiting for you to cut something for me. And you took this long you took.
Oh dear. Well, I had a big cut to do, that's why.
It's brighter and whiter.
Definitely brighter.
And the shine on the panelling below is where the wet paint is wet. It's going to need another coat, unfortunately.
Right. That's come up a treat though, hasn't it? Hasn't it lightened it up? What it's really done is brought the stairway out. It really has. Wow. Okay.
Impressive, eh?
Get in that way. Yes, definitely. As I said in the last video, it's the stairway or the staircase is getting a new lease of life.
So, do I stop now then?
No, keep going. Dinner's not yet. Am I cooking tonight?
I did say I was only going so far.
You did.
So I'm just making it level around there.
I'm pleased as hell because I know then you're not going to put mirrors up the fact you're going into this effort.
And this is just a primer.
Oh. I'll
so
take that back.
See where to fill.
Right. Oops. Shot myself in the foot there. Have you got an idea of splitting it then? Is that what you're actually thinking, or just because for the moment you can't get up there? Have you got any ideas for these walls? Or is the creative mind not there yet?
I do.
You do?
I would really like a mural.
Okay.
But I'd also really like a trompe-l'oeil window on there.
I can do that.
An arched one to match the arches.
I can do that.
How?
I print it onto vinyl wallpaper, because I love my vinyl. I've done it before actually. I've done game boards and actually put them onto walls for customers. Looks amazing.
And before anyone asked them, I'm using a paintbrush because I had it in my hand doing something else.
While you're waiting for me to cut something.
Exactly.
So you're thinking possibly having something on that back wall as a feature so you look up rather than the paper? Or it's still in design mode?
It's in planning mode.
Yeah, okay. Knowing you, it will come to you one evening and that'll be it. All systems go. So your PVA obviously stuck. Ta-da!
Nice and flat. So this morning I came down and put it in position like that. And I thought, actually, no, that looks not good in the words that I choose to use on camera.
It looks a bit flat, not very vibrant, but okay.
So, no, that's not going to work. So, you know what I think of that idea?
Oh dear, you've just binned a bit of history there.
I have another idea. Let me try it.
Why does that not surprise me?
Otherwise, it's just going to be plain white. I think it looks really boring.
Okay, go on then.
I could do them gold.
As I say, nothing ventured, nothing gained.
Gold panel?
No.
Suggestions on the postcard?
I could do a gold panel very quickly.
You could.
I could
You
very
do that,
quickly.
I'll do mine, we'll come back to it.
And we'll compare.
Okay. Not using this, so I've peeled it off and decided I'd auction it. What do you reckon?
Definitely.
£20, £20, €20, €30. Anyone want a piece of paper?
€50 and I'll throw in the person with it.
Oh yeah, it's plus postage, by the way.
And import tax.
Ancient wallpaper. Anyway, I did my other design, and obviously, Adrian, you haven't seen this yet.
I haven't seen this yet because I was concentrating on my design.
My other idea, to use leftover fabric from the curtains to put in the panels. I haven't finished it properly, I just put it there, I've glued it on,
To see if you like
tucked
it.
the edges round, and what do you think? Obviously, 1, 2, 3.
Do you know what? No, I'm not sure.
Should we live with that?
Well, it's not going anywhere, is it? Possibly when you've done the other 2 panels, I think it will bring it together.
And painted that.
I haven't asked, do you like it?
I'm going to live with that.
That's not an answer. We had something, I swear last year we did a rule that if it doesn't shout 110%.
No, that was things that we bought.
Oh yeah, that's
Yes,
a point.
So
Yeah.
we'll ponder.
Well, we
Let's
didn't buy
see,
that, did we?
What do other people think? Do I carry on, or do I just give up and go home?
Don't
This is
give
my
up.
home.
This is your home. Right, I'm going to put my piece up there. Not that it's going to make a blind bit of difference, but you never know. Well, you asked for gold, I stuck you up gold.
Oh my goodness.
So I literally just popped it up there for you
Yeah,
to see.
I've got an obsession with sticky back vinyl.
Hang on a sec. In my defence, this is just so you... Oh, there's 2 of you now. It's just so you can see, does it work or
I
not?
can't believe you stuck it straight to the paint.
Well, the moment of truth, does that work? My opinion, no. Although it doesn't have to be as blingy as that, but it's an idea.
Mirror on the wall. Oh my goodness. I can't see my face. It's going to have to come down.
No, it doesn't work, does
so
it?
I really don't like your idea. Still not sure about...
Hang on. This wasn't an idea. This was just giving you another plan B. I don't like it either. Fun up there. You're praying.
No.
No, I'm not. I'll just translate that for everyone.
No, I'm not, and I don't like it.
You don't like it. Shall I show everyone?
Yeah, go ahead.
I have the royal permission. Well, it's different. I'll give you that. Do I like it? Do you know what?
Just yes or no will do.
No, I'm not going to influence anything on this. I'm actually going to let people decide themselves. So it'd be interesting to know if it's yes or no. I think you could probably tell by Carol's voice what the actual decision is, but you know, we're always open to suggestions like the tassels on the cushions. Maybe we'll just put one way, one the other way.